Okay, pause. Before I continue, I was able to bring me and my friend across the US to see BLACKPINK because of today's sponsor. Today's sponsor is Sepeta. Without them, this experience wouldn't have been possible. And without them, I wouldn't be able to bring my friend Justin with me. Sepeta is a social app where you can create your own avatar. Here's mine right here. It's kind of dope. It's pretty cool. How adorable. Sepeta is a social media platform where you can play games, create posts, create content through it with your avatar. Some people have shown their face with their avatar, some people don't show their face with their avatar, and there's so many customizations actually. My username is Jrekml, follow me on Sepeta. Also, they do a lot of giveaways and events. Actually, while I was in New York, I learned that there was people that won a giveaway for this BLACKPINK concert. They floated them out and it literally gave away tickets. And I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a lot more giveaways as well, so I'm gonna keep an eye on that. Check the links in the description for Sepeta. And let's continue my New York BLACKPINK experience.
5 hours later.
What we got, man? What we got?
What are we? Bro, real talk, I was just trying to bring my friend along for BLACKPINK concert by myself. I didn't expect all this.
Yeah.
So 20 people with us, so it's kind of cool. We get to meet new people.
Yeah. Hospitality is crazy, man. Show them what you got. Show them what you got, man.
No, they gave me a letter.
They gave you a letter. Yeah, we don't want to show that.
Shout out to Sepeta.
Zepeto.
Nope.
Zepeto, yeah. Zepeto.
They gave me a BLACKPINK
BLACKPINK album.
We'll open it once I
We'll open it later. Yes, sir.
Later.
I didn't know what to expect about this. I didn't know it was a whole like thing. I'm excited. And they're the reason why we're here in New York for BLACKPINK. But not only that, they gave me it's a BLACKPINK album.
Do you want to unbox it now?
Oh yeah. Got Jennie, Jisoo off the
Jennie.
back.
Who's your bias? Rose though. Rose. Okay, you love them all. Yeah.
Poster as well?
Jisoo and Jennie. Oh, it's see-through. Look at that.
It is
wow.
see-through. And do you want a poster?
Yeah.
You can take this. This is
Damn,
fire. I've like no space for posters at the moment.
I like Lisa. I'm a Lisa bias.
Ooh.
Look at that.
BLACKPINK.
Yeah.
Ooh. We out here like this. Jeez. Fire. Dang. That's adorable.
Oh, dude.
That Lisa one's adorable. That's adorable. I like that. Oh my. More Lisa? Is this for you? Got Jisoo.
I'll take it. Oh, that one's cute. I like that one, bro.
Jisoo. Look. Oh my god. But
dude, ooh, Jennie.
let's go, Jennie. Ooh, okay, Rose.
Oh.
And then you already know. No bias. Lisa's coming up.
Oh man, bro. Oh, Lisa. I mean,
Whoa, calm down, Jamal.
it's time.
What's up?
What's the fit? Describe
What's the fit?
Alright, so what we got, bro? We got this is the shirt from Ichiwisms. Great.
Let's go.
We got OT NYC.
OT.
They got the jewelry. They're the jewelry of the idols.
Let's
You know
go.
what I'm saying? We got Core Limited. Swarovski.
Oh!
Y3. Shorts on so I can like spotlight. Y'all already know. I got.
We got the cash, just casual.
I got the jacket from Zara. From Uniqlo. Alright, t-shirt. Got Gucci belt from Gucci. Zara pants from Zara and Nike shoes.
You ready for this BLACKPINK
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
New
sir.
Walk.
You are
From
pretty
LA
close.
to New York.
You are pretty close.
New York.
Woo! Let's go! It's so cold. It's hella cold, bro.
I hate this weather.
That big ass bus is for us.
Oh shit!
That bus
That
is
bus is for us.
Bro, you gotta remind me, I gotta vlog.
Oh, we got a bus to ourselves.
BLACKPINK concert.
Yes, sir.
It's like a school trip.
I know.
It's been a minute since I've been to Prudential.
Yes, sir.
For BLACKPINK in the rain and the cold. It's cold. It's raining.
Yeah.
But anything for BLACKPINK. Anything for BLACKPINK.
Yes, sir.
It's Anya. Okay, I see what you mean. Pretty clear view for BLACKPINK actually. It's pretty fire. I'm excited.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Let's go. It's gonna get lit. And we got like this area right here so we can just do this.
Yeah.
You know? Yes. Iconic. Iconic. So I got a tie-dye BLACKPINK shirt. We got this
Ooh, double XL. This is for my friend Johnny. All right, we got another tie-dye beautiful shirt for my man Dre right
I love
here.
that.
And then we got a long sleeve for my sister at home because she loves Blackpink.
I love that one.
Yeah,
Is
look
there
at
anything in the
that.
back? Oh
Wow.
yes, that's so cool.
Yeah, and then we got this one for me, for the Blackpink fan. We got
Oh,
Pink, got the beautiful girls in the back.
yes.
Yeah.
I'm ready in the flesh.
Good.
Ah! That's with one body roll. Ah! I love it. Thank you.
Oh my God! Even from far away, they look good. Sweet. Let's go. Pretty savage.
So pretty, 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 pretty.
Every time you show up.
Every time I show up, blow up.
That's my song, my favorite Blackpink song. Wrong part, wrong part. Damn! Look at the lightery. I'm sweating at a K-pop concert. You're not doing it right.
sad already. It's over. I'm sad.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.